The tribe discovered a giant mammoth, and everyone looked at Korg. Korg prepared his best spear because the hunt seemed important. He started walking confidently toward the mammoth hunting grounds ahead. Then bright fruits caught his attention before reaching the mammoth. Instead of hunting immediately, Korg decided gathering fruit sounded easier. Later, he stopped beside a river and watched fish swimming. Soon he became distracted again and started playing with stones. Hours passed before Korg noticed he had barely progressed. The mammoth remained far away despite all his busy activities. Korg could not understand why he still had not started. The next morning, Korg promised himself he would start immediately. This time, he marched directly toward the mammoth hunting area. Then, unusual mushrooms captured his attention along the forest path. Instead of hunting, Korg spent time studying the strange mushrooms. Before noticing, another large portion of the day disappeared.
He somehow found another useful task unrelated to the mammoth. Gathering firewood felt productive, even though it changed nothing. From far away, the mammoth still waited exactly where before. Korg became frustrated because he truly wanted to start hunting. Standing near the mammoth, Korg suddenly felt strangely uncomfortable. Instead of attacking, Korg quietly stepped away from the mammoth. He convinced himself more preparation was necessary before hunting today. Korg spent hours improving equipment instead of starting the mission. Every small task felt easier than facing the giant mammoth. Another day ended, yet the important hunt remained unfinished. Searching for answers, Korg traveled forward through human history. A student delayed studying despite having an important exam soon. Instead, the student found many smaller tasks to complete. An office worker behaved exactly like Korg during the hunt. Korg realized millions of people struggled with the same problem. Even exercise goals were often delayed, despite good intentions. The pattern appeared everywhere Korg looked throughout the modern world. Determined to understand, Korg searched for answers inside science. Inside the museum, a giant brain model revealed an important clue. The brain reacts strongly whenever outcomes feel uncertain or unclear. Human brains evolved to protect energy whenever possible and necessary. Difficult tasks often appear more costly than easy, enjoyable activities. Unclear goals make the brain hesitate because success feels uncertain. Instead, the brain naturally prefers activities that feel comfortable. Suddenly, Korg understood why hunting the mammoth felt so difficult. The solution began with taking one small action instead. Small actions feel safer because they require little energy initially. Researchers discovered that starting small reduces mental resistance significantly. Korg returned and focused only on approaching the mammoth.
After beginning, continuing felt easier than he expected before. Momentum started building once Korg finally began taking action. Soon he was doing the task he avoided for days. The difficult challenge was finally completed after consistent progress. Suddenly, Korg understood procrastination was protection, not simple laziness. Action comes first, and motivation often follows afterward naturally.